Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's Dream Gardens, we're going to be talking about what, y'all?
Water features.
Water features and how you can incorporate them in your yard. We're going to go over different types and styles so that you can consider them when you're looking to do your own garden design. So, are you all ready to dig in?
Sure am.
Let's grow! To kick off our adventure today, I'd first like to go over the numerous physical and mental benefits of having a water feature. On physical benefits, there's air purification. Moving water releases negative ions, which can help purify the air. There's also temperature regulation, which can help cool the surrounding area through evaporation. There's physical encouragement activity, where water features can make outdoor spaces more inviting, encouraging time spent outside, as well as increased humidity, which can help respiratory health. Water features can also provide many mental health benefits, such as stress reduction. The sound of flowing water has a calming effect on the mind, it's been shown. The white noise of water can help mask distracting sounds, aiding in concentration. It can enhance a mood. The presence of water is known to boost positive emotions and reduce anxiety. And it can also increase mindfulness, where water features encourage living in the present moment, just observing nature and being in the moment at that time. And the soothing sounds of water has been shown to help with better sleep. Now, there's also some additional benefits I'd like to touch on real quick, is that biodiversity is improved when you have a water feature. It attracts wildlife to your garden. They're beautiful to look at. They have a beautiful aesthetic if done right. And they can also help increase property values. A well-designed water feature can help enhance the overall value of a property. To help you imagine what you can be doing with your own water feature in your garden, I'm going to be showing you several different types of water features, as well as several different styles. And I'll be providing limited commentary along the way, so you can sit back and review these wonderful projects that I've taken video of in my travels, as well as some of my own projects. And hopefully this will help spark or inspire you to do your own water feature. Beautiful. Qué linda, see? Yeah. Throughout the different water feature videos I'll be showing you today, I'm also going to be providing some call outs with the plant materials nearby and some other features that I want to point out to you to help guide you when you're looking to design your own water feature. Look at this spiral ginger. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? With waterfalls, there's several different ways you can incorporate them in your garden. You can just have a cut stone like you see here, a 6-inch waterfall, or you can even use bamboo or a hollowed out log to help transfer the water over the edge. Or you can even use stacked stone to create a waterfall effect. Another type of water feature are called water gardens. They're essentially ponds that focus on water plants. They're quite beautiful, and they can take on a very formal style or an informal style. The third type of water feature I want to share with you are man-made streams and creeks. This is best for a garden that you have quite a bit of room and you also have some grade changes. The last type of fountains I want to show you today are bubblers, bird baths, and wall fountains. And I am such a sucker for bird baths. I go crazy when I see those little birds jumping in and taking a bath. And bird baths are a very easy way to introduce wildlife as well as a water feature in your garden. Very inexpensive to add one of these to your garden. As you can see, there are so many different types of fountains, and I look to know what interests you, so leave us a comment down below. And let's wrap up today's video with a classic, the classic tiered fountain. What do you think, Ignacio? Do you like the court? Yeah, you thinking about it? Thank you all so much for joining us. If you have any thoughts or questions, Stephanie, Amy, what are they supposed to do?
Leave a comment below.
Make
Comment
sure
below.
you like and subscribe.
Yes, and please like and subscribe because we're going to keep getting all the videos out to you as fast as we can. Until the next video, bye.
Bye.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And tell your friends and family. We post videos weekly. Thanks.